In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the ClassPoint application step by step. First, open Google and search for ClassPoint. Then visit the official website and download the application. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the installation instructions. After installing, open PowerPoint, and you'll see the ClassPoint tab added to the toolbar. From there, you can start using its features to create interactive presentations, quizzes, and engage your audience more effectively. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to enhance their PowerPoint presentations with easy-to-use tools.